Hi everyone, this is GySgt Dorr. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a Google Sheet or a sign up sheet for a community service. So, as a GySgt, you just go into Drive and open the community service folder. And here it has the community service roster, so it splits it up into years, and then I'm going to go into, obviously, the year now. And here it has the community service roster, but right now we're going to go straight to sign up rosters, because that's what we'll be creating. So then you're just going to open one of the previously existing rosters and go from there. So I'm going to open it up, and then I'm going to click File, and I'm going to click Make a Copy. And then for the sake of this video, I'm just going to name it New Community Service. I might change that later. Okay, so we're going to basically redo this whole sheet. And we're going to do that starting with the name. I guess I'll just do St. Anthony's Fall Festival, because I'm pretty sure we do that every year, or almost every year. So I'll do it for next year. So that'll be 2022. And then after, we gotta rename this part. We're just gonna put St. Anthony's Fall Festival again. And Sergeant Major likes it in all caps. I don't know why. That's just how he started doing it, so I copied it. And then we also have to put the time that it starts at and ends at. So I think I'll just do, I think this year it was something like 0900 to like 2200. Let's just go with that. Something like that. But basically you just put the start time and end time. And then we're going to go down here. We're going to delete that. And we're going to look up we're going to put that it's at St. Anthony's, and then we're going to look up the actual address of St. Anthony's, so that if people need to, they can just input the address for the for their GPS or something, anything like that. You need the actual address in there. So I'm just going to copy and paste it. And then next what we're going to do is we're going to delete this, because that doesn't apply to the Fall Festival. That's if we need to leave like a important note, like, I don't know. Basically, it could either be instructions, or if you have a specific thing you need cadets to do with this particular sign-up sheet, which for this one we don't, so I'm just going to delete it. And then we don't need parent name, because that... Sorry, I'm still trying to figure out how to do this. But we don't need parent name. We're going to delete out the cadets' names, because it's going to be starting fresh. And then that's basically it for most of the community services. But for the sake of this, I'm just going to do an example. So I would fill out my rank. It's going to let me do it in red. So normally I'll leave an example for the cadets, just so that they know like how to do it. It's pretty it's pretty simple, but you still have some cadets who either don't read the directions, don't ask, or just don't care. So this just makes it a lot easier for everyone. So I'll put my rank, my last name, and then if they have a first name, they could put an initial, or not if they have a first name. If somebody else in the company has the same last name, you're going to put your platoon, and then for remarks, you could put something like, I have to leave at, I don't know, say 8:20, something like that. Or like if they have to leave early, I don't know. Just that's an example. But yeah, that's basically it. Then we're gonna make sure that we can share it to everyone on Remind. So we're gonna go to the link, make sure it says anyone with a link, because if not, the cadets won't be able to open it. And then you're gonna copy the link, make sure they can edit, and then you're gonna copy the link and go to, Okay, and then you're going to go to Remind, and this is how you pass the community service to all the other cadets in the company. So you're going to go to Remind, and you're going to make sure you have the whole ROTC, MCJ ROTC selected. But for this case, I was going to try to send it to myself, but I guess, I don't know, I'll just make a draft. Okay, so you're going to put basically what the community service is, what time it is, just the basics in the message so that they know to actually look at it and that it's not just something random. So I'm going to put please sign up for, please sign up for the community service, but sometimes it's hard because the number of characters that you can use is limited, so I like to just be very plain. So please sign up for the community service, and then something like just remember that you need community service to graduate, something to get their attention, or not just community service to graduate, oh my gosh, community service to promote. And then obviously you're going to put the link, and then sometimes you can add like the time or something like that, anything that's important, or if there's like a limit or certain time that you're going to like cut off people from signing up. But yeah, that's really it. I'm just going to make a few more spaces because, yeah, but that's basically it. You just make sure that all of them are bordered so it's separate, and that's really all you need to do. Of course, you would press send, but for the case of this, I'm not going to, just for the sake of the video, because, I don't know, that'd be weird. It's not a real community service.